Hey everyone! In this super quick video, I'll show you how to create borders around cells in Excel. Let's get started. On my worksheet, I have some first names, last names, and cities. I would like to make this information stand out by adding some borders. There's a couple of ways to do this. The first is to highlight the cells that you want to add borders, and then go to the Borders drop-down list in the font area. There are a number of options that can be applied to our selected cells, including bottom or top borders, left or right, all borders, and outside borders, to name a few. I will select all borders, and you can see that there's a border around all the cells. I'll hide the worksheet grid line so you can see the borders better. I can do this by going to the View tab in the ribbon, and then I'll uncheck the grid lines option. I'll go back to the Home tab. I'll undo the borders to show you a second way to add borders and add some more options. For the second method, I will highlight the cells again, and this time I will right-click and choose Format Cells. A pop-up will appear and I'll make sure that I'm looking at the Border tab. As you can see, we have a number of options for our borders, including line style and line color, and more customizations of where the borders are to be applied. Additionally, we have a preview that shows us what our borders will look like. For this example, I want the default thin border. However, I want my border color to be blue. I'll click on the color drop-down and choose a blue color. As you can see, the line style options have changed to blue. Next, I want the border to be on all sides of the cell. To do this, I will click on all the border buttons except the diagonal ones. I'll click OK, and we now have our borders around all the cells. However, I would like to have the headings have a thicker border so that they stand out a little more. I'll highlight the headings, and then right-click and choose Format Cells. And once again on the Border tab, I'll change the line style to a thicker line, and then click on the corresponding buttons in the preview area, and click OK. Now our borders around our headings are more prominent. Of course, we could add more formatting, such as centering the text, making the headings bold, and in the color blue. And perhaps change the background color of the cells to a lighter shade of blue. As you can see, borders are an easy way to make information in your worksheet stand out. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks again and have an excellent day.